student, today we are going through the chapter of S.ST, that is the globe. Before reading about the globe, I want to just say about our planet, that is Earth. Earth is a very unique planet. Many animals, human beings are habited here because all the things, presence of oxygen, water, other gases are here. So if you are talking about the globe is just a man-made model of the earth. If you are talking about man-made, it is just made by the man so that people can see the features in the globe. Just map is also there. With the help of map also, you can see the important features, important landforms and many other things. But by the globe also it is, you can see the landforms, features. But the difference is that globe is of many kinds. It is sometimes very big, sometimes very small, and it is not easy to handle. Just a map can be brought in the pocket, just you can handle, you can bring in your school bag, but the globe is not easy to handle. But we are getting the information about continent, oceans, rivers and many more features. Just if you are talking about globe, you can see there is globe. Just upper part you can see. First of all, we will go through the pole. Just there are two poles, north pole and the south pole. The uppermost is called as north pole and the lowermost is called as south pole. And if we consider about hemisphere, north pole we can call it northern hemisphere also, and south pole as the southern hemisphere. And just get it in your mind, this is very important chapter and you have to be by-hearted and recall it very nicely. Just we were talking about the pole and just the middle line, if you are seeing in the globe, it is equator which divides the earth into two equal halves. Just the upper is the north pole, south pole, south pole, and the middle line is called equator, which is known as the biggest line of latitude, which is 0 degree. And some more important lines of latitudes are there, which is parallel to equator. Just first of all, you see what is latitude. If you are just definitions comes too many times in the questions, so you have to get it by heart and recall it. That the lines which are parallel to equators are called parallel to latitude. As you are seeing in the diagram, the lines which are parallel to equators. So there are, if you are going to the north pole, there is Arctic Circle. Then if you are going again, the other parallel lines of latitude is Tropic of Cancer. If you are going just in the southern pole, it is Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn. Just you remember it very nicely and you have to know the diagram also. So regarding the definition of latitude, you have understood that many lines which are parallel to equator are called lines of latitude. So just student, you get it by heart that here the lines are given with a degree. The lines of latitude you can see in the diagram also. The Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 north in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn, it is in southern hemisphere, it is 23.5 south. Got it? If you are talking about in the northern hemisphere, again it is the line of latitude which is called Arctic Circle, which is 66.5 north, and in the south the line is called Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 south. So these are the imaginary lines of latitude, or you can say the lines of latitude which are parallel to equator, and equator you have understood it is the largest lines of latitude, which is 0 degree. Now we are coming through the longitude. Now you understand the longitude is the line that run from the south pole and are of equal length, just from the north pole to the south pole. And just if you are talking about longitude, so we can't forget the line that is called as prime meridian, which is the line which passes through Greenwich at UK, London. So as we have seen, the lines of latitude was in the equator was dividing the earth into two equal halves. In the same way, prime meridian it divides the earth into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So this diagram is also very important for you. Just you can see that as we are going higher and higher, we are decreasing at the poles. Now we come to the grid. So grid, what is grid now? Just you see in the diagram, grid is where the latitudes and longitudes intersect each other at right angle. It is called as grid. And just to understand that these are of equal length. You can see in the diagram, it is of equal length, and it is used to calculate the location of the place. So today we have studied about latitudes, longitudes, what is the globe and what is the grid. So thank you everyone. Just keep learning. Be